The TRIDENT Wave, the most powerful credit enhancement strategy. Are you frustrated with your current credit repair process? Is there a reliable way in getting results to fix your credit reports? Introducing the TRIDENT Wave. It's a strategy that actually works. Developed to enhance your 3 reports. If done right, you can actually get results in as little as 30 days. You can confidently increase your FICO scores. But wait, how does it work? What do you have to do? What's the first step, and can anyone apply this? Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the results, step by step. First, make sure you collect all your reports. Make sure that they are the original reports and you can actually get them directly from the credit bureaus. Here is how you can do this. Head over to annualcreditreport.com. You're actually eligible for free credit reports once a year. Alternatively, you can call the bureaus and just simply tell them that you were denied credit. Next, collect your 3 reports, and then it's time to analyze. Look over and analyze everything from personal details to all the negative accounts associated with your reports. Now, after analyzing, there's a 3-step process, and we're going to go over that exactly how you can do this. First, identify all the excess info. Then, challenge each personal details. And 3, each credit report will have identification codes with each personal details. Use them when you're challenging it. Here's what it typically should look like. John Smith, identification number 19202. John A. Smith, identification number 22933. John Smith A, identification number 39939. You get the picture. Don't forget, you'll also be doing the same for all your addresses, your phone numbers, your employers, along with all other personal details, including your social security numbers. So you may be wondering, why are we doing this? Well, the answer is quite simple. A, when you have multiple personal details, it is no longer accurate. It is fair to assume that the other negative items may also be inaccurate through association. Which leads us to our second part. On a separate document, write down all your negative items and request the bureaus to identify which personal information it relates to. Here's a quick example. ABC Collection, account number 2223. What name is this affiliated with? What address is this affiliated with? What SSN is this affiliated with? How was this verified to be accurate? By now, here's what you should have. Personal challenges times 3, 1 for each bureau. List of negatives times 3, 1 for each bureau. And now we're on our final approach. For each of the negative items, we will directly challenge them with the company that is publishing the record. Here is what it should look like. ABC Company. What name does this belong to? What SSN is affiliated with this account? What address do you have on record? How have you certified for this to be accurate under the FCRA? Our goal is simple. Get them to prove that they were compliant under the FCRA when they initially reported the data. In most cases, most of these companies don't want to dig deep to provide the answers. Oh, and there is one more thing. We want to send a copy of the same letter that you sent to those creditors directly to the main 3 bureaus. Yep, 3 stacks of documents for each bureau. The end result? Here's what it should look like. First, personal challenges directly to the credit bureaus. Negative challenges, credit bureaus. Single negative item challenges to the company reporting. And finally, a copy of the same letter that you sent to those negative items to the companies directly to the credit bureaus. And now, wait 30 to 45 days and keep an eye on your credit reports. Well, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe.